Hi, this is part 6 of the Octane tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to create an island nature scene with Octane. This is going to be a more than intermediate video. So, if you are not familiar with Cinema 4D and Octane, then go and watch my previous video. Links are given in the description. So, at this moment, I assume that you know something about Octane. That's why I am going to make it fast. I'll explain step by step how I did it. Take a look at what I am going to create. This time, my sweet girlfriend did the voiceover for this video. So, a great thanks for her. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Cinema 4D.
I'm going to quickly add a landscape object, make it big, and some rough and fine furrows. Now, add a plane to make water. Subdivide this plane and put it under subdivision surface to make it high poly. Now, I will add a displacer modifier to give it the look of water ripple. In the displacer, place a noise shader and edit some values. Open Octane Live Viewer. I will add some trees with the help of Forester plugin. Add palm trees, date trees, coconut, etc. Place these trees at random positions on the mainland. Do it according to your likeness. This is a little bit time taking, but at the same time, it is so simple. Render it in the live viewer to our scene. Again, with the help of Forester, add rocks at the show starting. Randomize the rock size, position, parameters to make it look natural. Now, with Octane diffuse material, I will add an image texture to it and apply this material to the mainland and scale down the texture to add more details. Also add a specular material to the plane to get the water look. Add an Octane sky texture with image texture. Then bring an Octane daylight object. Mix both of them together. Go to Octane setting. In the post-processing, enable bloom. Now, I am going to place the sun and the sun in the image texture in the same position. This will add more realism to this scene. Lastly, I will add a more text object with a glossy material so that it reflects. So that's all for now. It is pretty basic and simple. If you like this video, then do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.